Wow, snow. Do you know how snow forms? Let me show you.
Snow does not begin in the sky. It begins here, on Earth, as water. Lifted by sunlight, carried by air, it will return as crystal.
When the sun heats water, part of it escapes into the air as water vapor. This process is called evaporation.
Warm air rises, carrying water vapor high into the atmosphere, where it gathers and forms clouds.
High in the clouds, temperatures fall below freezing. Here, water vapor turns directly into ice, forming snow crystals.
As the snow crystals grow heavier, gravity pulls them down. When the air stays cold, they reach the ground as snow.
Begins on Earth as water. Heat turns water into vapor, rising into the air. High above, the vapor freezes into ice. The crystals grow heavy and fall. That is how snow is formed.